Good morning, ladies. This math video will serve as a review for some of you, and it will have some new information about money. This is one of our last money activities before we go on to time. We will also be doing some money word problems later on and probably a check-in or two just to make sure everyone is on the same page. So I'm going to start our review by talking about the different coins again, and you are probably sick about hearing about this, but if you forgot, this coin, I'll show you the back too, it's called a penny. A penny is equal to 1 cent. This is a nickel. And it's equal to 5 cents. This is a dime, and it's equal to 10 cents. This is a quarter, and it is equal to 25 cents. This is a $50. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to fit the last one on it, but we will try. A $50 is worth 50 cents. Now this last coin, I'll actually erase everything to show you because I'm going to show you in two different ways. This last coin is worth $1. So I'm going to show you this. Okay. So this coin is worth $1. Or how many cents is $1? Good. 100 cents. So that is how you write 100 cents. If I was talking about it just as $1, I would write the dollar sign before 100. This, for those of you who do not remember, is called a decimal. Okay, and a decimal is really important for us to pay attention to with money because it shows us certain values. So for example, a dollar coin is worth 100 cents or $1. This, and this isn't real money, so it looks a little bit different than money in your brain. This is a $1 bill. So we call this a dollar coin. It's a coin. This is $1 bill. Okay? And a dollar bill equals $1. And bills are really nice. I mean, coins also say it, on the back in really little writing, like this is $1. But bills tell you the value right on the front. So I have a $1 bill here. I have a $10 bill there. And I forgot to mention the presidents on the front. This again is George Washington. This is Alexander Hamilton. Then let me see, where else am I? Other money. We have Jackson, and on the $20 bill, let me see if I have a 5. We have Lincoln again. He's on the 5. We have Grant on the 50. And not all of the people on the bills were presidents. Some of them were just prominent or important people in the American history, such as Ben Franklin. So that's an $100 bill. I even have $1,000, which is Grover Cleveland. And these are all fake bills. I wish they were real, but they're not. So these are what bills look like. And they always write the amount on it. So now I'm going to show you how to add up when you have bills and coins. Because just as I mentioned earlier, that decimal point really helps us separate different values. Okay? And what I mean by that is if I have, I'm not counting anything up yet, I'm just saying a random thing. If I had $1, 10 cents, this is the dollar amount. This is the cents. Okay? Dollar, cents. If I had $10.20, this would be the dollar amount. I'll write a D. This, just like with a normal number, this is the $10 amount. Okay, you'd be counting by tens. That's the cents. Okay, so what if I gave you $1 and these coins? Okay, well, just as we did with coins, you want to start with the largest amount, and we know because we have $1, what sign do we need? That's right, starting there. And we know we only have $1, so we can only have the number 1 on this side of the decimal because we don't have any other dollars. If we had another dollar, we would be able to add this up to 2. But we only have $1. So now we're already done counting this. Don't have to worry about it. Then you just follow our normal routine with counting coins. I'm going to put them in order from greatest to least. So I know a dime is 10, nickel is 5, nickel is 5, nickel is 5, and then a penny. So 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20, plus 5 is 25, plus 1 is 26. So I know this in total is 26 cents. So if I'm adding that to my dollar, remember, this side is where the cents go. I'm just going to write 26. You do not need to carry over that sign. That is not right. You don't want 2 signs on here. You always know if you're writing in dollars, you have the dollar sign. If I tell you to write in cents, you use that cent sign. I'm going to do another one here. I'm going to grab a random bill. Okay. Let's put another one in there. All right, so we start with the greatest amount. remember the dollar values are the greatest unless I had a dollar coin which is equal to this. But these are larger than my coins here. So to find the dollar amount here, oops, don't need that decimal yet. All you're going to do is add like you normally would. 5 plus 1. We have a $5 bill and a $1 bill. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Put that decimal there. Once we know the dollar amount, you can just put the decimal there because the decimal is stopping us. It's telling us there's only $6 there. Our cents are going to be most likely worth less than $1. If it's worth more than $1, you carry over and add $1 here, but we're not going to go into that right now. Okay, then we start with the greatest value coin. A quarter, 25 cents. A dime, 10 cents. A dime, 10 cents. Nickel 5. Nickel 5. Let's add it up. 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 plus 10 is 45. 45 plus 5 is 50. 50 plus 5 is 55 cents. Because that does not equal more than 100 cents or $1, we just put that in our cents place. $6.55. Don't forget that decimal. $6.55. This whole side is dollars. This whole side is cents. Okay. We're going to go into, probably next time I'll make a little video for those of you who are interested. If this equaled 100 cents, or let's say 155 cents, if I had a dollar coin, I could either just add the dollar coin with the bills, or maybe I wanted to just do it with cents. My dollar value would go up just 1. It wouldn't be adding 100 to that column, it would just be up 1. But you don't need to understand that right now. If you already do, fantastic. If you don't, I want you to focus today on your worksheet. It's having you add up dollars and cents. So I'm going to see if I can just put this worksheet in front of us here. Okay. Count the dollars and cents. Write the amount 2 ways. Okay. So right here, again, we have $2 bills, $2. And then we have a $50, a quarter, and a dime. So 50 cents plus 25 cents plus 10 cents. So if they want us to write it in 2 ways, it wants you to break it down into those units we've already been talking about. Dollars and cents, and then combined. Okay, so how many dollars are here? That's simple. 1, 2. $2. Write a $2. I don't want you to write it here yet because it will get confusing. Now for the cents. 50 plus 25 is 75 plus 5, or plus 10, I mean it's a dime, is 85. So there's 85 cents. Now they want me to write it in 2 ways. This does equal $2.85. Together, you write it with the dollar sign, $2, decimal, 85 cents. Okay. Do not forget that decimal. Otherwise, it would look like $285. This is definitely not $285. So remember, $2, decimal, 85 cents. Let me know if you have any questions with this. You're responsible for page 309 and 310 today. I will put up extra math work if this is already in your skill set. Okay, have fun, ladies.